No. Little chore. 7064. This is where butler's pantry is. You put your dirty dishes, they put them in that door. Here is the closet. I think it's got plenty of space for us. Shelves. This decky with a couple of robes and some slippers. Bathroom with double sinks. Good shampoo, conditioner, body wash. There's even a couple little kits. Toothbrush. Regular old toilet room. Nice. Very nice. Large shower. And here, a couple of drawers, plenty of space for toiletries, hair dryers in there. More shelves, so there's plenty of space to keep clothes, shoes. This is the refrigerator underneath the little bar that stays stocked, fully stocked. Anything we've asked, they've added in here. Extra waters, some fruit from the first day. This is fantastic if you get burnt, which of course happens after the first day. There's plenty of teas and coffees. And of course this little machine's fantastic. More shelving space to store whatever you need. On around in here. Of course the tub is fantastic, but right now we're using it to dry our clothes. We've been here for a couple of days. More drawers on both sides. Reading light, which I use. More drawers. Like I said, there's plenty of space for clothes. A little lock here so nobody can sneak on in. Be sure to keep this open if you do go outside, or you will lock yourself out. And this is on out. We get a pretty good amount of shade in the morning, and the sun starts creeping up. So depending on if you want shade or sun. Bar service comes around very, very often. Looks like they're doing some dance aerobics out there. Hola.
Buenas tardes.
Then on back to the room.